Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make a restaurant menu card using Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now making a restaurant menu card using Canva is actually fairly easy. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to go and just search or start using Canva here. So just go to canva.com, log in into your account, and this is what you'll be seeing. Now let's go and click on create design at the top left here, and let's go and just enter the appropriate keyword here. Let's go and just enter restaurant, and we want to go ahead and just indicate that it's a menu. It's going to give us many different sizes here. So in this case, we have an 11 by 17 portrait here. Landscape, we also have a menu 70 by 11. So go ahead and choose the appropriate one for you. So in my case, maybe I want to use this one, 11 by 17 inches. And as you can see, this is the design. Now, on the left side, it's going to give you different suggestions here that you could use for your menu. Now, as long as it doesn't have that crown on it, you can use it for free, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, the great thing about Canva here is you can actually use already existing templates, which in this case makes your job a lot easier. So, they have different menus here. So they have a design for this one. Like for example, it has like images on it. Or it also has like a daily basis, or you can basically see which day is actually being served at that moment. But you can just go back here, and just in case you change your mind, you could go and switch over to a different one. Now, there are going to be different types of different templates here that you could use. So in my case, maybe I want to use this one. Let's go and choose this one. And as you can see, this is the design that is available to us. Now, in this case, since we've chosen our design here, the great thing about Canva here is you could also edit your already existing food or your design here. So in this case, for example, you have images here. You could actually replace that image in a very easy way. So at the left side, you want to go to uploads, and you want to go and click on upload files at the top left here, and you just need to choose the image that you want to upload. So for example, maybe I want to upload this image. Let's go click open, and it's going to be uploaded into our account. And once it's actually uploaded, you could just basically drag it into the right side here. So as you can see, I can easily drop it in the image itself, because again, this is a template. You can easily edit it in whatever way you want. Now you could also edit the text itself, so you could go and double click on it. And as you can see, you could already change whichever menu you want to, or item you want to change here. Like for example, maybe I want to say, let's just say this is going to be a spaghetti. And from here, you want to go ahead and start designing it in whatever way you want. So let's go ahead and maybe change the actual price for it. Now, by the way, just in case you're having some trouble here, you could actually zoom in. So use the bottom right here, and you could go and press and hold. Or you could go and just use the scroll bar here, or sorry, the scroll on your mouse to go up or down here, as you can see right now. And basically, you could just double click on the price itself, and you can change or update that as well. And yeah. Now, the great thing about as well here is you could change the overall design. Like for example, let's go and highlight the food menu section here. And you can change the actual font family for it. So for example, let's go and choose one that actually looks kind of fancy here. You can actually use this one. As you can see, it's going to be updated. And yeah. So this is the way for you to start creating your menu very easily using the templates that you could use here on Canva. But if you want to use or create one from scratch, it's actually pretty easy itself. So you want to go and click on create design top left again. Let's go and choose this one, and you don't have to choose any of the available templates at the left side here. You just need to go to elements here and start searching whatever you need. So for example, we want to have like a granite type of look into our background. So let's go and just add granite. Let's go and press search for that. Click on photos, click on see all, and maybe I want to use this one. So yeah, so let's go ahead and basically rotate it. And in this case, what I would like to do here is I would like to click on the background itself, and I want to change the background itself and make it quite gray, because I'm going to do something here so that it actually looks pretty good. So in this case, as you can see, it's pretty rough here. So you could go ahead and go to the transparency here and make it a bit transparent, so it actually blends in the background itself. And as you can see, we have that cool flat look on our background. Now let's go click on text at the top left here. Let's go add a heading. And for our heading, let's just say it is going to be our menu. And you can change the actual color for it. Let's go and make this white. And let's go and click on the font family here. And let's go and choose one that actually looks fancy. So let's go and choose a different one here for now. So you could go and choose this one if you want. You could also maybe you want to use this one. Yeah. So yeah, you could choose this one, or something a little bit more cooler. By the way, some of the font family here are going to be paid, so you need to have a premium plan for Canva in order for you to use them. But generally speaking, you'll be able to see or you'll be able to use one that is already existing here. For example, this one. And yeah, so once you've added up, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and basically add the other titles. For example, this is going to be for breakfast. Let's go add this one. Let's go add breakfast. Change the color for it. And let's go and choose white. Let's move it around. Change the actual font family. Go up. So I think I have one here. Let's go ahead and choose this one. And let's go ahead and copy this. So we have the same design here. This one here maybe. And copy again and in here. So in this case, this one is going to be for lunch. And this one is going to be for dinner. Sorry. Dinner. Now from here, let's go and start adding our items. So adding items pretty easy. Let's go and add this one. And maybe I want to add like eggs. Now, obviously, this is just an example. You could add your actual menu here. I'm just going to just give you an idea how to add them. Let's go add eggs here. And let's go align it this way. Copy this so that we have the same design. Copy again. And let's go add sausage. And let's go add bread in here. Now, you want to do the same thing for lunch, dinner as well. So go and copy this, just a placeholder for our design. Let's go and move it around here. So align here. And copy it again, paste it, and let's move it in here. And yeah, we're good. So next is we want to go and add the price for it. Let's go and copy it here. And maybe I want to say that this is going to be, maybe I want to use a different one, a different approach here. Yeah, oh, sorry. Yeah, let's go with this one. Oops. This one is going to be like, let's just say like $1. Now you can add whatever the price for whatever product you have here. It's gonna name this like, for example, it's going to be like $2. Copy this and maybe make this like $3. Again, this is just an example. You could add yours in here. Let's go and align this, make sure it's properly aligned. And let's go and copy the price and paste it again. Move it in here and paste it again. And we now have our template. So yeah, so the great thing about this one is you could actually add like different elements to it. Let's go to elements at top left here. So maybe I want to add like flowers on it. So it's going to add flowers. From here, let's go ahead and go to graphics. And let's go and choose one that would fit this one. Let's go add this one maybe. Let's make it at the top right here. And maybe we want to go and make it a bit transparent here so it's not that distracting. Let's go add a new one. So maybe add this one. Make it a bit more transparent. And maybe let's add a final one here. So let's say this one. So at the top left here. And again, let's go transparent. And yeah, so now we've just created our menu here. But yeah, so hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lanap. Thank you for watching.